Now let me show you something different. We have the book detail, and book details are related with and book details have a relation. If I go to book details here, let me navigate to one of the book detail. Let me navigate to one of the book detail. This one right here, the book ID is 1 and the values are 222. If I go back to our database and if I do select star from book as well as book detail, this is the data that we have. Book ID is 5 and book detail ID is 5 and book ID is 1. All the values are 2 here. Now let me go back to the playground that we have and comment out the iQueryable and iEnumerable that we added. And I want to show you something with updating related data. Let me first retrieve the book detail, and when I retrieve that, let me first retrieve a book detail based on the ID of book detail. If we go back, we have one record with 5. We will retrieve that, and we are also including all the book record. After that, let me update the number of chapters, and I will also update one thing in the book object. I will change the price. Let me change that to 222. So price for 1 is 55 here. We are changing that to 222 here. After that, we will update. After that, on the book detail, we will call update and pass the new book detail that will update the book detail. Now this is something we have already seen, but I want to show you something different. Let me copy and paste that one more time. I will call that book detail 2. We will retrieve the same book detail, but later we will change that to 1 rather than 2 here. And perfect. Now this time, rather than using update, I will use something called as attach. Now what is this attach and what are the difference? It is best.
So just taking and play. The first way is by taking up related data. Now let me comment this code pouch. And we just need to get to our playground, so it gets this value point. We'll go to book here and we'll click on the playground. And I will use something new called as attach. We have not used this before. I will rather show you what attach does differently as compared to update first. So
we have not used attach before. I would rather show you on what attach does differently as compared to update. Let me restart the application.